On July 26, the relevant personnel of the quality department and the RD department conducted a
这边特别甜。
discussion for the
这里
10.1-inch project
这边就很
used
这
in
边就贴得很
industrial
好。
manufacturing
现在
equipment. The client feedback that the backlight had a light leakage problem. The quality engineer conducts a professional analysis on the cause of the problem. It is judged that there is a gap in the plastic frame of the backlight where the glass is placed, and the glass is prone to shaking inside, resulting in light leakage. After discussion with the RD department, the proposed solution is 1. Paste a piece of black shading tape on the edge of the ITO. 2. Modify the plastic frame mode of the backlight. Each department performs its own duties. After arranging the implementation of the plan, the sales department feedback the solution to the customer as soon as possible.